Oh, where's my music? There we go. Yo, how's it going, Tomer? We're a little late. I got like I got a lot of people who responded to my I made a Reddit post and it actually got relatively popular on Reddit, so that was cool. But I've been responding to so many people. Let's see. Very nice. I think this person, I already responded to this person. Yeah, pretty cool. I wish I posted. This is the first time I didn't post my my Steam page and stuff, or like my Twitch and stuff. So a little bit of a lost potential there, but that's okay. Alrighty, let's get to it. Okay. Yo, Dragon Skull. Welcome back, Dragon Skull, to A Sprite and Godot Engine plus Tiled. Hello. I just turn on my automatic scene switcher. There we go. Greetings, Dragon Skull. Alright, so we did some level design with Chapter 2 today, and I think we're going to do Chapter 3 design. Sorry, Chapter 4 level design today. Project settings. Forgot. Level manager. So comment that out. Let's go into Chapter 4. Also want to do some level 1 designs, Chapter 1 designs, but I'll save that for... I don't know when. Let me see how many days we have left. We have today, or we got the rest of today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. All right, yeah, we've got a lot of time. Let's do this. Chapter. What the hell? There we go. Okay. Should I just go through each and every room and figure out if we're gonna like change certain designs? Let's see. I know the initial rooms are gonna stay the same. We are gonna update the spikes, but I wonder if I'm gonna do that soon. This room needs to be updated. Okay. So there's this room in general. We have to fix the spikes here. You know, there's like the light node on this, and it makes the game look a little gray. I'm gonna try to fix that soon. Let me see. And try to fix that now. Okay. Yeah. Before we start delving into level design, let me just make sure this is what we're gonna do for the rest of today. Version 4. We'll do here 720 vines for chapter. We did 1. We didn't do 3, but let's do vines and grass. You know, I'll call it like that for now. Alright. 7 fixed chapter 1 vines. We did that. 7/25, 26, 23. Chapter 4 level design. And we might want to fix spikes of chapter 4. Maybe we'll do that in between. For like 2 hours we'll do some level design, and then for another 2 hours we'll do what am I trying to say? Yeah, and we'll do like some aesthetic stuff. I think that's probably a good approach. Also, I can remove all of these here. Alright, that looks pretty good. Alright, next room. Also, I think I want to update the tile map. I'm never satisfied with the way it looks. I'm not sure why. Should I do this now? No, let's... It would be nice to do this now, though. Oh, we don't have the correct spikes here, too. Or, you know what would be nice? If we did, like, a combination of spikes, or, sorry, a combination of tiles. Both, like, ice tiles and then, like, some sort of solid platform, like maybe bricks or something. I think that would be really cool. Let me think. How could we do that? I mean, it would just be a matter of adding 2 tiles, but we would also need to make sure that they're like seamless. I've never done this actually in our game, and I've always wanted to. We could explore that right now. Actually, I kind of like that idea. It's better. I mean, level design is going to be fun too, but I think it'll be slightly better than level design since it's something slightly new. All right, let me add that to our list of things to do. Try adding more than 1 tile map. 1 auto tile. Okay, yeah, let's do it. Let's look at, I'm gonna look at running bloods real quick, because that's our usual go-to sprite sheet. No background. I probably already have it open. Or, oh, no, I restarted my computer. Okay. Alright, so we could use maybe a combination of this one here, or this one, or, you know what we could try doing too? So what looks like, none of these really look like, ice. Oh, wait a second. I have a great idea. I forgot, we have the tile map here. The ice one. Just played for 30 minutes so far. I hear my navigation feels weird. As long as it is regional pricing. Alright, I'll have to respond to this person more thoroughly, but I won't do that right now. Nope, not this one. I also want to see something. I'm pretty sure they have a license, but I just want to make sure. Oh wait, where is their license? Oh, right here. I'm pretty sure I saved this, but I'm gonna save it again just in case. How do you... Alright, let's just save it. This is... Oh, Memori. I forgot where I had the save. Memori notes? No, it can't be in notes. Yeah, I'll just save it on the desktop for now. Call this Memori ICE and library assets license. Okay. Oh, the license is already listed here too. That's pretty cool. That's nice. All right. Style D. I don't remember which style it is, but we're gonna change it anyway. The color palette is probably way too. Do they have like an entire? I wish it didn't. I wish it showed the actual file. When it's not, I think when it's not a content. No. Yeah, extra large icons, but it's showing the GIMP file. Super wallpaper. Style A. Spreadsheet. I didn't even see that. Okay. So potentially we could use. We've already used. Oh shit. We've already used this for our parallax. I think this looks pretty cool. It might look slightly odd once we add it to the game and it's 16 by 16 images. But also, wait, which one is the tile map? I assume it's this. Or is it this? I think this is the tile map for the foreground, but there's like snow on the top, and I don't think that'll look good, especially, like, it looks weird. Yeah, how's it going, Ichachi? What you been up to, man? Yeah, the snow looks weird. I think what we're gonna do is just grab the bottom sprite and set it as the top sprite. I think that'll look relatively good. So we can just grab this section, or yeah, this section. Let's go into grid 16 by 16. View, show grid. Oh, what the hell? God damn, these are like almost 32 by 32 images. There's so much variation in them. Maybe I can use this one though, or like this one might not be too bad. This is actually our background tile, but maybe we can edit it to. This is 16 by 16. But yeah, the rocks are so they're so defining. Like I don't think it's gonna be as seamless as just plugging them in. So everything is split into 8 by 8s, but we can try it out. Like there's no harm. Let's give it a shot. So let me open up tile setter real quick. Where is tile setter? Oh, there it is. This is on our 8 by 8s. Forgot where we save everything. Memori Kickstarter. I should have had a folder called Celeste Catastrophic Failure. What the hell? What the hell is this? Celeste Catastrophic Failure. Did I try opening Celeste? I don't think so. Maybe I tried opening it. So it was when I opened Steam, but I opened Steam yesterday too. Yeah, I'm not sure. Whatever. What the hell's going on here? I'm trying to like. There we go. All right, we'll just change this to 16. So we can try grabbing this one and then placing this. The rocks look a little weird though. ID 4613, thank you. Yeah, that was weird. There we go. And then get to grab this one. I think we'll probably want to edit this to be more solid. Let me see, what does this one look like? It sticks out a bit. Honestly, having snow would be really cool. Like the sound effects of snow would be kind of cool in the game. I also have these. Alright, we might not use this. It might not look that good, but I'll give it a shot. Alright, so I mean, it looks good here, but once we put it into the game, it might look slightly odd. The fact that it's like not... There's no straight edges here could also be a problem. Let me see if we can maybe fix it somehow. What is the organization tool that you use to do lists, etc.? I've been using... I just started using Obsidian. I kind of like it. Yeah, Obsidian's pretty cool. Before that, I used to use just like sticky notes from Windows, which is also, honestly, it's like fine for me. Yeah, Obsidian is just slightly better. Yeah. Here, let me see. If we just push these up a little bit. And fill this in. Then we have to like grab something else to fill it up with. Alright, I think that's good. Maybe like one more sprite here, or like maybe just one pixel will be pretty good. Like that. I just realized the bottom is also like, it has this purplish color compared to the rest of the tiles. And also, it's very noticeable. Here, I'm gonna actually cut this and push it over one tile. Hopefully that looks better. What the hell is going on with GIMP lately? Look at this. I'm not pressing anything, but it's doing this weird thing. But yeah, Obsidian. It's pretty cool. Alright, let's try that. See how that looks. I don't really have high hopes for this though. Okay. You know, I feel like, I mean, this looks really cool as it is, but yeah, like to add collisions, like we would add collisions on top of this and it would be straight. So like, because there's like one pixel going down, I think it would look very weird. But we'll try it out. What do we have to lose? I think it looks really cool. Which one is it? This one? Yeah. And now I feel like it looks more like a brick. Or... yeah, it looks so weird. Is there any... what could I do about this? Let me see. All right, we'll give this a shot. Don't really have high hopes for this either, but let's see. This actually looks slightly better. We can try it out. But it will be slightly different from this because we currently what we do is we just convert this to 8x, we put this in an 8x8 grid and we randomize it, so it could look very strange, especially like the rocks here. I'll try it out, see what it looks like in game. What's our usual time map name? What's the blue celestial one? Celestial brick. My game is finally starting to look like a puzzle platformer. Thank you. Did you see the post? 176 is really okay. Yeah. Or did you see the thing on the bottom right? The Reddit notification. All right, we can try this out. Let me convert this. Whoops. Image mode indexed. Yeah, that was actually the most I've gotten in a while in terms of like upvotes and stuff. It was nice. Oh goddamn, this looks disgusting. It's supposed to be bluish, but not this. Wait, let me see something. Do we lose out on anything? We do lose out on a bunch of colors. Alright, I'll have to edit this manually, because I might want to keep some of these. Okay, so the darkest one, we're probably going to use this. We always use this as our darkest color. Let me also make another layer. Okay, the lightest color we'll use as our lightest blue. So we're already using blue, but we'll see. Maybe this will be like the snow. Like we can have two, like a brick one and then a snow one. And this will be our snow. What's the next one? All right, there it is. Looks interesting, I guess. Maybe we could make it lighter. Like we could use I guess this is the final one. We could make it this dark blue because we already are using black in our tile map. That kind of looks cool, like ice tiles. The edges kind of discourage me a bit. Let me see. Do we have any other? Like, I think these would look slightly better. I wouldn't change it now though. Oh, this one. I think this would look much better, to be honest. But yeah, you can see here that they also have like these jagged edges, which looks terrible in a platformer. I mean, we'd have to do something like this. Which honestly looks so much better than what we have right now. I think we'll do that. I wonder, is this the same as this? Yeah, I might use this. Is there anything else? yeah, we'll test this out. Honestly, we could even just add. Here, let's go back here. We'll test them all out now. Or like, you know what? No, we'll test it out each individually. Okay. Let's just add this one. Usually I add some variation, so we go here. You know, I'll just grab this one actually. To allow for like the potential of more textures in the future. We might even make this larger in the future if we want to have like a crap ton of variations in our tile map. Again, it's because this is 16 by 16, but our regular tile map is 8 by 8. So I have like, I guess an interesting approach to how we would automate, like making sure that it puts the correct 16 by 16 tile in an 8 by 8 grid. Okay, let's export this. We'll call this, I don't know, blue ice or something. Godot. Afterlife new one. Executables. Where is it? Sprites. What have we been using? I guess there's probably a tile map. There we go. So we'll call this blue ice tile map. I should be more descriptive with these file names too. I'll say collision tile map. Blue ice collision tile map. Boo boo boo. Alright. So let's go into our auto tile real quick. Auto tile. So yeah, this is the first time we're adding 2 different tile maps in one scene. We'll see how it looks. I think I did account for this in like when we made all of our auto tiling stuff. So everything should work the same. The only thing that would be different is like vines. And I actually like this because now vines would grow appropriately, or like grass would grow appropriately in the section. And then like, you know, let's say if we have bricks in another section, they would have their own, like maybe there would be a banner there or, you know, something. What did I call it? Blue ice? Blue ice? Yeah, blue ice collision tile map. There we go. Everything should be the same. I forgot. Do I use the entire thing or do I use this small section? I think I use just this section right here. And then let's go into this one, copy this bit. Oh, we use 2. Honestly, it doesn't really matter. It's very simple. Very simple bit mask here. I wonder if I paste it though, will it work? Okay, cool, it does. We also have some we could fill these up too. There's a transition tile map that we have to work with too. I'll do that right now, actually. Let's go into our transition tile map. Transition. What did I call it? Oh, it was one word. Okay. Yeah, let's go into here. Sorry, the cops are coming for me. Blue ice collision tile map. I just need to make sure that we copy this bit mask. Create a new auto tile here. And paste it. Alright. Usually we have like these bottom ones too. We'll update everything eventually. I don't know why the hell this is here. Let's erase that. It should just work the way it is. I think there's one thing that we have to do in our auto tile script, and that's for the transition. There's like a transition index. Get transition cell index. What is the new tile name index? I mean, 22. 22. Okay. So for 22, we're gonna be returning 4. Okay. That should technically be it. We can actually just try it right here. Oh god, what the hell is this? What is this? This nasty, let me see. It looks kind of good, and then actually I really like it. But let me figure out what the hell. Why is there like this weird in between texture? We probably put something in our bit mask. Oh shit! Oh my god! This is why it's good to separate things in files, because like the second you click on something in Godot, at least on 3.5, the second you click on an auto tile, it like removes it. Or like the second you click on a region, it resets it, so it's not like there's no like, fail safe. But it's that's why I separate all the. I mean, that's not why I separate all the files, but it's good that I separate them, because then I could just copy the bitmask. Wait. Hell Dead Kid, thank you. I forgot which one. Did we edit 22 or did we edit 21? No, 22 is good. Wait, what? They're all here. Let me see. All right. Hopefully I didn't just break anything. Let's see, get up. Boom, boom, boom. Sharp 2, auto tile 2. Vine frequency? Okay, I guess we didn't. Wait, that makes no sense. Oh, it's a tile set that we edited. Whatever. Let's click on this. The bitmask. It's weird. The bitmask doesn't show these being used. I wonder how that's even possible that the auto tile. You see? Disable auto tile. Yeah, how is this a part of our 22? You know what it might be? Even though I copied the bitmask, let me see something. I'm gonna assume that's maybe grabbing something from here, because usually on this bitmask you can see we're using this section right here. The bitmask here doesn't exist. What I could try doing just to make we'll double check. That's a good thing to note, I guess, for future me. Let's see if we paste this over here. Will it fix itself? Let's see. All right, there. Yeah. So it would even if you set the auto tile and I guess you can mess with the bitmask. Interesting. I didn't know that was even possible. Okay. And if we run the border. Okay, so one thing to note is that this one doesn't actually really need a it does need a transition tile map, and we'll do that next. But you can see, I don't usually fill up our tiles like this. Usually they're all black at the ends, but maybe that's something that we could do differently. So usually we'll have full black tiles here. So yeah, usually it's all black, and then there's a transition tile right here. But let's say we wanted to add, this. Well, we have to work on the transition textures. But let's say we wanted to add this here, or I don't know. Where's a good room to test this out in? Here maybe. You can see that we get we have to run the border tile map again, and the transition cell. Do we have anything on our transitions just yet? Oh, what the hell? Try that again. I'm gonna run this. We have this random cell right here. I don't know what that's about. Oh, it's from. Let me try this again. Yeah, we get some random cells that spawn right here for some reason. And also, it looks very weird. We would have to update the script a bit so that these seamlessly connect. How would I even do that? We would basically need to make sure... I didn't even think about doing this. Wow. We could also put tiles on top of each other if we really wanted to. That way we wouldn't have to worry about this. Oh, but one of them would have to worry about it because, yeah, still, The only lines that we want are like this one right here. Also, the fact that this is like super bright and then this is kind of dark, I don't know if it like messes with the aesthetic of everything. Let me think about this. We could, wait, I'm trying to think. Also, this does not look that, where's our transition texture? I have so many questions of like trying to figure out, okay, what do we need to do? Let me see something. Alright, so here is our bit mask. Should be adding this. I'm gonna get rid of that. We just want these for now. Let's go into our auto tile here and let's just test it out again. 23, no, 22. Alright, so looks like this. We run border. Yeah, nothing is happening for some reason. Try this again. Let's see. Okay, we're getting that. The transition texture, let me see. Return on 22, return 4, get transition cell. Let me see, get transition cell. Do you have a date of when you're going to release the game? Yeah, I plan on releasing it by January. That's the plan. Nothing ever goes according to plan, but we're working really hard to make it release on January. At least some version. I do want to keep working on this game even after release. So like I guess I'd call it the bare minimum of the game, like the version 1.0 will be released in January, and then who knows where I'll take it from there. Okay. Let's figure out what the hell is going on with our ice. I think we're gonna replace the texture, either from the change the original one or this new one. Something doesn't look right about them. Okay. Clean up borders. We don't really need to clean up borders just yet. Why is this here? I guess we'll print this. Adding transition cell, do blue ice. Boom. Adding transition cell to blue ice. So it is there, and then let me see what happens if we erase it. Wait, let me run this again. And let's just hide, or let's just delete our auto tile. Okay, we're adding transition cells to the border, and that's it. There's nothing over here. Let me try figuring out what the hell's going on there. Transition cell index. Get transition. This is on cleanup borders. Edit border tile map. No. Where the hell is our edit? Okay, there we go. If get, let me see, edit transition tile map for cell and get use cells. If get cell auto tile chord of cell XY is equal to 22, if it's a black tile. Is that really what I've been doing? Oh, I guess that makes sense. We set this cell, but is this happening here for our current input tile map? Is this even happening? It is happening. We're also getting, what is this? Tile set doesn't have a tile with tile ID. Well, -1 usually, okay. -1 usually removes it. Also, it doesn't have a tile ID with 13. Let me clear this and run this again. Adding transition tile to blue ice. Yeah, so it seems like it is working, but we don't see a... Seems like 4 doesn't exist or something. What the hell is this? Try this again. Okay. Let's look at our transition tile map. We're adding 4. Okay. Input tile map, set cell V of cell gets transitions, input tile map, cell gets transition of cell. It could be returning 0 somehow. Maybe we're getting the wrong index. Let's see. Get cell V. Oh my god. Is this even happening? We're getting 22. We did match 22. Yeah, okay. Return 4. Heading transition cell to blue ice. So yeah, we're getting the right index here. On our transition tile map, do we do anything with that 4? Get border index. I mean, yeah, we have some of this stuff. Get border cell index offset, but that shouldn't be a concern just yet. Let me see. Oh wait, this is not on our transition. Oh, transition doesn't even have any script on script attached. It's all done in the auto tile. Okay. Why are we not seeing it? Here, let me try. Let's do 3. Just try 3 and see what happens. So on 3, we're getting this weird. What the hell? You know what? You know what I think it is. Usually we have an auto tile here. Sorry, our auto tile is usually the entire thing. And currently what we're doing is we limited it to just one section here. I feel like this might be what's causing our bug. So we want to include this entire thing. Then come back here, go into the bit mask. Copy it. Go here. Paste it. Alright, hopefully that fixes everything. This shouldn't be this complicated. There we go. Okay, so it does spawn correctly, but now we can edit the colors. So this is supposed to be 4. So let's try it again. Okay, we're getting there. What the hell is what is this? The inside texture needs to be black. So here, let me see. What we could do with this is actually fill it up like this. Let's see how it looks. Not bad. The corner pieces obviously need to be fixed. And in terms of like transition cells, like this kind of looks weird. We can randomize it to look better. It also doesn't look amazing either. I think what we want to do is maybe go back to there's this texture that we can use. One of these. Which one is it? I mean, yeah, one of this one or this one. I think it might be the same thing. Sometimes they do like the invert texture. Yeah, it looks like the same thing. So yeah, let's try grabbing this one. I think this would look better. Okay. We have to update the colors though. Do we want to use blue? I feel like maybe making it look like snow would be pretty cool too. I just don't think this looks like snow in its current state. Let's try blue first. Alright. I was gonna do level design today. It is what it is. Alright, why didn't this copy? Oh, right. We have to flatten this image real quick. Okay. There's that. And this texture is it's a little simpler in terms of like, yeah, it's just less complex. Okay, create borders, and then we'll just do that. And this will look a whole lot more seamless compared to the other one. Whoops. Oh, wait, we made this black. Unfortunately, if I make this black and we copy the raw file, it's going to turn this to black. I should have made this like green or something. I mean, I can remember 4 tiles here, 2 tiles here, 2 tiles there. Okay. Just... we'll make a new layer just in case. Okay, yeah. I think that's all we had to do. Alright, we're gonna convert this. We can try just converting it, but usually this doesn't look that good. We might have to edit it ourselves. But this actually looks kind of good. Does it lose any of the colors? Yeah, I kind of like the way it looks. It's like, it does look kind of like snow. Alright, let's try it out. Oops. Grab this one. Put that there. Control E. Yeah, it kind of looks like snow. To me, it looks a little icy. I could see that too. It does look a little icy. We can see what it looks like, and we can also make it just blue. Maybe like a combination of blue and... oh, God. This is a little too dark. Maybe we will make it blue, or yeah, like a bluer color. Just because we're already using a dark blue. And white and dark. Let's try this one right here. Save it for the ice section. Yeah, let's see. This might not look too bad. I might even make this the main tile set just because, yeah, I mean, nothing is really set in stone. What the hell? There we go. So we could do that too. It looks so bright. A little too bright. Oh, actually, it's more bright in the editor than it will be in game. Let's see. We still have to work on. I wasn't planning on doing this, but I think it would be very cool. Oh, we have music spamming. Turn that off. Oh, we didn't add collisions to it. But I think maybe it's too bright for what we've got here. Either we bring up the brightness of this one, and also I feel like this would have to look like bricks rather than what it looks like right now. Also, why is this so? It's so repetitive here. More than I feel like it's literally repeating the same texture. Oh, no, it's not. But on the right side, it feels like it is. And on the left side, it feels like it's fine. The right side looks a little weird. Let me see. We're using the entire bit mask. Interesting. Maybe we can also include this right here. That should make it look slightly better. Let's see. Whoops. 22. Yeah, that's better. But yeah, still, I think it's a little too dark. Or sorry, it's a little too bright. We could go darker. Which one? Let me see. I'm gonna Control Z everything and go back. I'm gonna start off ignoring this one. So we'll start off with this. Next one. Alright, if this is too bright, I don't know. I don't know what else we could do. But yeah, the other texture I also don't like, so we could replace that one. And we also need to make sure that we're creating the transition textures. Between, this one, between these two. Make it look a little bit more seamless. It would basically just be the black cells in between. I wonder if this is too much work for right now. You know what? Another thing that I could do is just make sure that they're never connected. Like if we want to create a separation somewhere, like we'll put like some of the frozen tiles here. Like that, for example. There aren't too many sections that would need to be like that, but it's an option. Let me see what else we got here. Oh shit. All right. Let me think. Low-key, I like the new color palette more, or the new tile map more than the one that we currently have. So we could also just replace this. Let me see. Just make a new layer right here. See how I like it. Oh, we have these transition textures too. This area looks a little weird. a little too bright, I think. So we would have to make it darker. Maybe match the same darkness of the original one. Yeah, let's do that. Yeah, this platform already looks. It's so much darker than the rest of the tile map. People wouldn't even notice this. We would replace this though. Every like platform. Usually, what I've been doing is having every platform match the tile map. Somehow match the tile map, the main tile map of the chapter. So it would be a lighter blue. All right. Let's see. All right, let's kind of try to speedrun this a little bit. So we would have to make this a darker blue. Oh my god, I have to edit it again. All right. So what? One more over. So we started out with this one now. Let's try this one. Do. Yeah, it's a little less overwhelming now. I keep trying. Now I'm thinking it needs to be darker. We keep going closer and closer to the original one, which I think maybe is fine. We should have gone from darkest to lightest instead of lightest to darkest. All right. God damn it. Yeah, let me see. So it would be. I think we're already up to the last one though. So this will be the last time we do this. What's our dark? Is it this one? Yeah. Okay. So it's this. And it's this. Our darkest one after that is right here. Then this one. Perfect. Honestly, it all looks the same to me now. But in game, it's gonna look so much more different. Wait, bro, it's the same thing. I'm just. You know what I think it is? I think the brightest color is just too bright. I think that's the problem. Alright, there's not enough detail if we do that. We can try maybe grabbing this dark one, maybe. No, that looks terrible. What can we do here? Making this one the brightest one, and then somehow making, let me see, Control Z this and this one. Maybe if we flip those colors, so this will be this color, and then this will be whatever is the lighter. this one right here. And this will be the lighter one. How'd that look? That looks also kind of weird. So another option would be to maybe keep the darker colors. So we could do this. The next one over could be one of the darker colors from this section here. It's a little too... Yeah, we could leave it like that, and then we have 3 more colors left, and we can go from darkest to lightest now. So this one would be this. This would be I think this is better. Alright, so in a nutshell, all that we've done is we've just replaced the original texture with I guess I just didn't like the original one. I do like this new one, but the whole idea was to add a new tile map for like variation. And I think this looks more like snow / rock, or like frozen rocks, which looks good. It would be cool if we can add bricks somewhere to this chapter. I'm not entirely sure where we would include it in our game I'm not sure where we would include it in this chapter because there's so much. It's mainly just like supposed to be sort of like a cave system. It would be really nice to have. Maybe we can use wood instead, but I was also thinking of using wood in the library chapter. I don't know if I should... maybe it's fine to reuse like the same material. I mean, most of the game is like some sort of brick tile. We can try using dirt, maybe. But maybe dirt would be weird. Or rock. Yeah, maybe we could do that, like a brownish tile, like a decent contrasting tile in our game. All right, let's try that out. We already have this tile map. I think the... Let me see. So we still have it saved. We have this one. I don't think it looks that good, personally. Let's see what else we got. Actually, I don't even know where that came from, that tile map came from. But yeah, we have these rock-looking things. That might not look too bad. Could try that one out. We also have these celestial brick-looking things too, which don't look bad at all. Let's try this one. I think. Wait, which one did we use? I think we used this one, but we just covered it up. We covered the edges. What's this? Oh, wait a second. I kind of like this one too. And I feel like this one would look perfect in the game. We would match... I don't know if we would match the same color palette. I'm going to try like the same exact colors. Might look kind of cool, actually. If it's like recognizably different, we could try both. Like we could add this one and this one, whichever one looks more appropriate, I guess. It might look weird here because there's like, I don't know what the hell's going on there, but we'll try it out. Quickly, I'm going to edit the colors now. That way we don't have to worry about it later. Create from clipboard. Image. Convert. Oh, and it looks, I kind of like the way it looks too. See, are all of the colors preserved? It is missing out on some colors. Like, this brownish color and this become the same color. But I don't know, sometimes adding more colors is a problem. So let's try doing it this way. Image, configure grid, 16 by 16, view, show grid. All right. Do. The corner pieces I think are custom made. Yeah, they're different from the other tiles, but let's see how it looks. Do. Why does it look so weird here? Looks like... Huh. I think the white color on the bottom here is a bit distracting. Still think it looks a little weird. Yeah, maybe we won't keep this, or I think maybe I'll have to change the colors if we do want to keep it. Can you show it in game? That's what it's supposed to look like in game. Our auto tile is a little weird. I don't know why this is happening. The transition here, I'll put it on the main one just to show it off. Is it this one? Yeah, okay. Might be too bright, maybe. Yeah, I mean the colors are kind of messed up, I would say. I'm not sure what to think about it. Yeah, I think maybe like it has some potential if I keep working on it, but yeah, I don't see how. I'm gonna try one more thing. So it's also I think it's very similar to what we currently have already in terms of like not the colors obviously, but like the look of it. And I think this just looks better. But I'm gonna try one more. I'm gonna try these rocks. But what I'm gonna do with the rocks is make them like brownish. Maybe make them look more like dirt. Oh wait, actually, this looks like dirt and this one looks like rocks. We currently have our tile map look like ice. I'm gonna try this one. I think it looks cool. Or it looks different from the rest. I think this is actually, yeah, this is the same exact tile map. It's just a different color. Okay. All right. This looks very weird. Should probably edit it myself. Okay. Usually we use this one for black. And then brown. I guess this. Or we could try using purple too. But we already used purple in our game. Or for the purple chapter. Let's try this. And there's this one. Very muddy. Yeah. I don't know, I think maybe I would have to use this one to make it look more like rocks. Oh, this looks kind of cool to me, actually. Alright, I'm gonna try it again on this layer, just so that we can speed up the process to see if it looks good. And if it looks good here, we'll try it out on we'll try making the transition tiles. I actually have high hopes for this. I think this looks kind of cool. Loki, I actually like this texture just on its own as the main one. Let's see. Like I think I would make it just maybe slightly more blue. And then it's pretty rocky. Yeah, I agree. Obviously, some of the transition textures need to be fixed. The corner pieces need to be less sharp too. And yeah, I think yeah. So far, this chapter has been very blue. We could make it look dull, but yeah, I think having a blue aesthetic is not a bad idea. You can see there's some like black tiles and stuff. We'll fix that eventually. Alright, I'm gonna try one more thing, and that's to make it a little bit more blue of a rock. Let me see. What can we do here? It could be a combination of both too. It doesn't have to be. Everything doesn't have to be blue. But we're gonna try making everything blue. Well, oh shit! I should have edited this one. Damn. Wait, let me see. Kind of. I don't know what it is that I. We'll have to see in game. Something about it looked weird to me though. Let's try that again. So this one. Yeah, and these corner pieces need to be show grid and get rid of this. Oh, we have so many layers in our thing. Let me erase all of them. I don't think we use this one, but I'll fix it anyway. Oh, wrong one. Same with this one. Okay. Something about the rock look, the dark blue look was really nice to me. This is not too bad. Yeah, I kind of like the rocks, but I'm trying to think because like now the if I make it the original color. Oh, it's also maybe too bright. Maybe that's the problem. Because it's basically the same color as our spikes here. So it's hard to differentiate the two. So I think I would have to make it darker. It's a bit scaly, as if you're in a big blue fish. Interesting. Is it because it's blue? No? Did it look like that with the other one? Might be the highlights. Okay. I should have saved what we had it looking like originally. That way I don't have to. Here, actually, we can just copy this. Go back. Oh, no. Okay. Yeah, this was the original one. I'm gonna make another layer. Paste it on there just in case we want to keep it. I did like this one. If it was just slightly more blue. Let me see this one again. Can we make it a little bit more dull? Let me see. Alrighty. So this next color we'll do the same thing that we did before, which is like the next color over, we'll make this color here. And then, yeah, we'll go up from there. Hopefully that's dark enough. Yo, how's it going, Mr. Glick? Oh, what the hell? Okay. And then finally... Okay, so it's slightly more blue, but the transition from this one to this one's a little weird. Let me see, do we have another blue here that we can possibly use? So that was this one, maybe I'll try this one. It's like grayish now. I'll just try it out. Oh, I kind of like this actually. I think this looks much better. The only thing that bugs me now is those the lighter squares right there look a little weird to me. I could try either making them darker, or just using the same color. Let me see. These squares right here. Can either use this one or this. Or we can try using this. Is that the same as this? No. Let's try it out. It's really only the large ones, I think, but... Alright, let's see what that looks like. It looks weird to me now. Shit. Oh, there's no winning. Let me see. We could go one layer up again, like make this the darker one. So I'll grab this, do that, and then go back here, grab this one, make this the darker one, and then this one will be oh, what the hell? This looks like crap. Boom, 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 boom. Alright, so these are our options, I guess. Either this one. Wait, is this? We have this one or this one. I think those are our two options. Alright, so let me try this one more time. I'm gonna see what this blue one looks like. Bop. 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 Okay. It doesn't look terrible, but yeah, it's the same color. The brightness of this one's the same color, and that's the problem for me. I think we'll probably have to stick to this one. But the problem with this one was that it's too dark. And I would have to make the... I mean, maybe I really don't have to worry about it, because most of the level here is ice anyway. Like, we could just leave it. But yeah, the other thing that bothers me now is that the rocks, like the background nodes, decoration nodes, are slightly more blue. Oh, what the hell? You can't even see this. This tile right here. That's not good. The transition textures need to be updated as well. Did you implement art for chapter 3? I added decorations. I'm going to update chapter 3 next month. I'm focusing on chapter 2 and 4 right now. What the hell is that? Oh, this is just a different tile map. Okay. What was the original tile map? This was the original one. Next month we'll be getting mushrooms in Memori? Yes. Oh, well, actually, in this version, once I update version 4, there'll also be mushrooms. It's just, I won't. There's really nothing to it. I think I'm gonna stick to this for now. If I figure something out, we'll change it later. Alright, let me... Oops. Delete that. We do need to make some transition textures. We could actually... keep it transparent too. Wait, I'm just... What the hell's going on here? Why is this, are they always like that? Is our grid off or something? Is it always like, there's like a little... Whatever the hell this is. Let me see. I guess so. I don't know what the hell. Oh, I guess. Oh, this is the inside. Okay. So usually this is black here. All right, we'll just fill that up. Also, is this the right color? I think it is. Okay. Fill similar colors here, here. Here. I believe also here. We have a reference. Oh, and down here too. Oh, you know, I could just leave this one as a reference. I guess that's all we did. All right. Control E. Do I want to keep this original one? I'm gonna keep this as blue celestial brick backup just in case. I don't know. For whatever reason, I want to go back to this. Maybe we can use this one on... Let me see. How does this one look? No, that one looked like crap. What's the next one? This one. We could try this one. I don't know. Here, I'm going to try copying this one and putting it over on top of this one. Wait, what the hell? Boom. There we go. Blue ice. Okay. One more thing that we need to fix with this one is the corner pieces. Oh, we did it. Wait, no, that's the wrong one. This one. Right? Oh, shit. Okay. This as well. Okay. Did I just make it? Did I export? Oh shit! You know what I just did? I think I exported the backup. Yeah, low-key, now I like the blue one again. Dang. The main issue is that I think maybe if we made the spikes look a little bit more brighter, like if I just added more white to them. They're both blue, yeah. I think the spikes would have to be white if I wanted to make them... Which one is the blue one? I meant these right here are is the regular tile map, and then so are the spikes. The spikes are like basically the same color. Or very, very similar. I mean, the main issue is like the little squares that you see right here are the same color as the filler. Most of the filler in the spikes. If I added more white to the spikes, maybe that would make things different, but yeah, usually, I accidentally exported this backup as the main one. Shit. Be so bright. It would be so bright. Yeah, you're right. It would be pretty bright. Alright, wait. Let me go back to showcasing this one. You know what? Let me just save this file because I'm tired of making backups. We'll call this Blue Celestial Brick, and we'll call this Chapter 4 Tile Maps. Oh, I saved that in documents. What the hell? I'm gonna save it on desktop for now. Okay, and export. Blue celestial brick. What did I call it? Yeah, it is just blue celestial brick. File. Export as. Okay. So I think I have to update our the rocks right here, the decorations, just to match the same colors as the. I guess we could include some light blue in it. But yeah, they'll have to look more like rocks. And we also have to add the transition textures. Also, this corner piece doesn't have a pixel gap on it. Why not? Seems to be right. Maybe it does, and maybe I was just blind. All right. We have to fix the border texture. Border tile map. That's I guess that's this one. We never actually updated it. Okay, I'll cut this, put it here, right? Image, configure grid. I'm not sure if we'll ever use this one, but I'll keep it here just in case. Let's just grab this. So up. Wait, what? Oh, no wonder it looked weird. It was on a 8x8 grid. I was on a 10x10 grid. Let's do this. This looks slightly odd to me, but maybe it's fine. Now, let me see. It is a center. Okay. Weird. Okay. Not gonna worry about it too much. Cool. I guess this wasn't a level design. We still have like a few hours. I was gonna say like we didn't do much level design today, but yeah, we can still do it. I want to update the grass and vines real quick. The like the rocks and like ceiling rocks. Maybe make it just a little bit more gray. And I'm thinking maybe just the furniture, because like, yeah, I was hoping for this to be a blue chapter, but I guess it could still be a blue chapter. It's the only thing that's gray now is just the tile map. I think it'll be fine. Let's go into our frozen vine tile map and frozen grass tile map. Alright. They're both, okay. These are both frozen grass. Okay. Frozen grass. We're gonna go into here. We already used our darkest, let's see. Let's try this one. Maybe we'll skip that dark color. This is dark blue. Oh, actually, no. We will use. Oh yeah. I'm so indecisive. Let me see. Yeah, I kind of like that actually. Okay. All right. That'll go there. The next color is this one. This is for our grass tile map. Wait, did I just edit the? Oh, it doesn't really matter. We'll have to do it for both. Can I put a dog in your game, or is this feature missing? You could put a cat. That's an intended feature. The dog will have to be in the DLC, unfortunately. Also, how's it going, Devro? What up? Wait. So we split these two. I'm trying to see. Do I do any unique textures here? In either one? We do some unique stuff in. Yeah, they're both different. Okay. Ideally, I should put them both in the same one. Make my life for painting them easier. All right. Let's see. That's like half as cool. Doing all right. A lot of stuff to do. You know how it is? Yeah, I know how it is. You got this, though. I believe. I believe in the Dev Row. Okay, wait. Yeah, I'm just gonna do this manually for each one. Fuck it. Let's just go. Wait, I used the lighter one. Forgot. I have to make sure we're consistent with this, too. Alright, so the next one is this one, so... El Bibo. How's it going, El Bibo? What you been up to? Don't think I've seen your stream before. Thank you, Olbibo. Yeah, what you been up to? Oh wait, this was from 25 days ago. 8 days ago. Oh, are these? Oh, these are clips.
Nothing was gay. It said it. What?
What's this? Is this your game? It's looking pretty clean, I gotta say. But yeah, I hope everything is going well. Hello, Bibo. Thank you for the raid. For anyone interested, I'm currently working on a platformer similar to Celeste. Have a nice stream. Thank you. Alrighty. Alright, let's finish this real quick. And yeah, I think we're gonna keep this on the same time. I was gonna split it in case we ever created more textures, but maybe I should just make this file larger. But yeah, let's see what this looks like if I start changing colors around. I'll do one more. Maybe we could do one more of the gray colors, and then the final like highlight would be a dark blue. Like this blue here is way too bright, I would say. So let's grab this one. We'll make this the next color over. Which is, which one? Wait, what the hell? Oh, we used this one. Okay, yeah, so it's this one next. Or we can even use maybe the next blue. Let's, I'm gonna stop talking. Let's just try it out. So this will be our next one. Let's grab this one, also play it here. There's some other one, like this one right here would have to be updated, but yeah, maybe we would just make these ones the blue ones actually. And then finally, so either this one we would make blue, or we would save that for this. Or we could do, let's see. I should have made a new layer. Probably gonna do that right now, so we can test out some different colors. Okay. Alright, so yeah, I think these look pretty good the way they are. These tiles need to be updated, but what is that? This one right here. Did I forget to update some? Why are these? Oh yeah, okay. There's just another color that we're using. And I think we'll actually keep this one on the original. I should have made a new layer from the beginning. What I'll do is probably copy this, cut it, and then Control Z it. Okay, finally we need a blue, like a decent blue color. I'm gonna try this one. Hopefully we don't use this color anywhere. Let me see. Yeah, it doesn't seem like it. Okay, let's try that. Oh, this looks kind of bad. Yeah, they actually. Oh, the top ones look pretty bad. Try that again. I think these look okay. Yeah, these ones just look a little weird. Let's see. I think they need to be, what, brighter? Yeah. So this is the frozen grass tile map. And then this one. We're mainly just concerned with the top cells here. Let's see. Let's just see what it looks like going forward, and then we can update it as we like. Okay. Okay, that one looks weird. Oh my god. Alright, so yeah, I do like the new gray color. This one looks a little odd to me. Same with all of them actually kind of look weird. But there's something. Let me think about this. The blue, honestly, the blue ones kind of look fine the way they are. Alright, let's do this. Let's go back in. I think the blue color on this one was kind of weird. What I'm going to do real quick, though, is... Here, wait, I'm going to merge this down because I already forgot what's what. I'm going to copy this and then Control Z everything. Add a new layer, paste it on top so we can see what the original looked like. I'm going to do the same thing here. Merge this down. Copy everything. Control Z. New layer. Okay. I'm also gonna make one more new layer. So wait, let's handle one of these at a time. So first we'll do the ground, the floor tile map. So this looked a little weird to me. I guess we can go one color, whatever's the next color over, which is what? This right here. This is mines. Yeah, we should really put them all on the same tile map. There's no point. Let me see. Is there anything here? You can just grab this. Maybe I should make a. Right now this is 128 by 128. Maybe I should make it 256 by 256. Let's do it. So these are our grass tiles. Oh shit, did we? I think we cut them off accidentally. Okay. Alright, so wherever we have these blue ones, we're just going to cover up. I think these ones, they kind of look like, I don't know, like ore veins. We'll probably give them their own custom color, like these two right here. We'll probably bring them, add the original colors back. But for now, let's just do that. The skull I'm also probably going to bring back. Alright, that's it for those. Let's go back into our vine tile map. I'm just gonna paste these over here. There we go. Now we have like, we can use as many tiles as we want. I'll bring this down closer to the bottom. Where's 256? Or 120. When does 128 start? 129. Okay, cool. So everything over here will be grass tiles. Everything down here will be vine tiles. What do I like? What don't I like? I don't like this blue here. Let me see. Can we find a better blue? Which one did we use? So I'm not sure if this needs to be like a darker blue, maybe a lighter one here, and then maybe this one goes here. Let's just see. Take it one step at a time. Why weren't these ones selected? Are we already using this color for this one? Oh, we're using a lighter one for the ceiling. All right, let's try that out. And then what's the next one after this one? We'll make this one brighter. Cool. Alrighty. And do we use this anywhere here? Yeah, this one needs to be changed. What I'll probably do after we're done with all of this is I'll probably just copy the one, like, if we like these colors, we'll just copy and paste it and then flip them and put them back on the bottom. Or maybe it would be nice if, like, Maybe the ores didn't exist upside down. We'll see. 'Cause it is weird that we have like sharp stones and we have the rounded ones. But yeah, we'll just try it out, see what happens. Let me export this. Desktop. Where is our sprites? This is under tile map, and we're gonna call this vine frozen grass and vine tile map. Okay. All right, let's go back into Godot. What do we call this? Vine tile map? Vine's tile map. Just gonna go in here and what we'll do. So usually, so we've been separating them. What I'll do here. Let's see. We can, as long as we set the. What did we set first? Okay, we set the vines first. So I'm gonna just delete them. Grab the grass and vines. So we'll do new Alice. We'll do this one first, and then another new Alice, and we'll do this one. Everything should be the same. I don't. We coded most of this to work. And hopefully everything still stays the same. Let's see. Okay, yeah, everything is the same. This room, let's just update this real quick. This looks like crap. Alright. Oh yeah, I like it. I like the rocks for sure. The crystals here, you know, I just realized we could add some extra details to this to make it look better. Maybe, I think what it is that we're using a 2x2 right there. I think that looks weird. 2x2 pixels. But let's keep looking at other rooms. I'm not sure just yet. Let's see this one. Yeah, everything is the same. Let's just run it. Some rooms don't have the decoration note, the decoration tile map in it just yet. So far, these look pretty good. Is there anything I don't like? The blue on this one looks weird, but that's okay. I do like the upside down tile here. It looks really good. Yeah. Yeah, I think they all look good. What I think I'm gonna do with these ones though is we're gonna update them slightly. Also, this one's a little too blue. I think we're gonna copy the same color. This one also is pretty blue, but also it's kind of unique. But also the transition from this to this looks kind of odd. Let me just make sure all of the blue ones look weird to me. God damn it. Yeah, this one is also blue. Kind of looks... Maybe I should just remove the blue. We'll try one more thing with these. And that's to add like a second color to it. Or maybe just reducing the size of them. So like maybe... Oh. Something like... Oh, let me do this on another layer. That looks kind of better. Maybe reduce some of them a bit. Same with this one. Yeah, I think that looks much better. This looks horrendous, whatever the hell this is supposed to be. We might still want to change the color of this one, but... Oh, you know what'd be cool? Maybe if we do like a combination of both, like... something like that. And then maybe I could do the same thing for these dark ones, like... Maybe just add like a little brighter there. This, let me see something. Let me go here. I'm gonna grab whatever this original texture was. I'm gonna just put it on top. Same with this one. Also looks kind of weird. Yeah, this kind of looks like ice, so maybe it would look cool. Oh, what the hell? Oh, we must have copied the wrong layer. Is that what it... Maybe... Did I do the same thing here? Yeah, I did. I was like, oh yeah, that looks so much better. It was literally the same thing. Okay. I think those were the only ones that needed updating. These, which one was it? One of these looked weird. I think this bottom one looks weird. I think we should update the colors probably. Let me see. Okay, so yeah, this is what it currently looks like when it's just blue. No, what the? Oh my god, I keep copying the wrong layer. We're gonna replace this one. And then one of these also looked kind of weird. I think it might be this. Well, the colors of this one just look weird altogether. Let me see. I'll copy this again, see what it looks like. We'll try editing that one. And then everything else, I think we're going to have to also edit manually. I'm going to get rid of everything that isn't here because we're just going to flip them. So these need to be updated. Oh, shit. What did I just do? I'm not even sure anymore. Okay, I think that's it. I'm going to merge everything down. Okay. And I'll just leave this as a backup right there. Okay. So this, let's see. Do we want to keep the? I think the blue looked very weird. Unless we like edited the tile map to like, I don't know, grow on top of the tile map. I don't think we're gonna make any changes here. So I'm just gonna sort of copy what we have here. And it goes from lighter to darker. Maybe we could do. Maybe I can add like one more color here. Do that. Then this one. Pragma Cloud. How's it going, Pragma Cloud? And we have one more color here, but I think this is our darkest color already. We technically can go, let me see. Yeah, this is our darkest color, but I think, wait, let me see. I think, you know, how's it going, Pragma? I'll give you a shout out. You know who recommended you? Can assume it was you, probably. Yeah, what you been up to, Pragma Cloud? Thank you for the recommendation, Hassan, sorry. Hassan Party. Love pixel art, nice. Yeah, I gotta say, I'm not like the best pixel artist. I kind of just edit things. Is this a different color? Okay, it is. I tend to just edit things. Like, I'm good at making assets look good, I think. But I usually don't make my own. A lot of the stuff, like, I'll create, like, variations and stuff, but that's as far as I'll go. Love the Twitch community, yeah. Playing chess and goofing around. Hasten came by and we had fun games together. Right, I forgot. You wanted me to call you Rabbit. I totally forgot. Here, I'll check you out. Boom, boom, boom. You were doing, oh, I see you were doing chess. Nice. Mr. Rabbit. Working on in fashion design. Interesting. Cool. Well, I hope your stream went well. It was a fun time. Are you relatively new? And pixel art is a part of it for some. Oh, interesting. You do pixel art cosplay. That's pretty cool, actually. I've seen some of those. They're usually very cleverly done. I forgot that if I wanted to change I think we did want to change these tiles right here. So everything that's like a spike, we're probably just going to replace. So I'm actually going to bring this down a bit. Bring this on the bottom right corner so I know it's just old. And as for these spikes here, what I'm going to do is delete them. I'm going to delete these two. I'm going to delete these. And then we're going to bring everything closer to each other. You know, wait, I'm trying to think. Maybe I should just... Is there anything here? Wait, oh, we didn't update these either. Let me update... These are the only ones that are unique, actually. Is there anything else that's unique? No. Yeah, I think these 4 are the only unique ones for the Vine tile map. We'll probably make more over time, but yeah, everything else is just flipped. Pixlr is right, Stardew. Was that Stardew that was playing? That was Undertale. Yeah, it was Undertale. Oh, but I assume you like Stardew. Stardew, I've actually never played Stardew, but it's definitely a great inspiration in the game dev community. Taking my sweet time drawing this. Let's see. We got this. We got the next dark one. All right, I guess we'll go from lighter to dark. This is technically not our darkest. We'll see. Okay, and then this. If this works, actually, okay, so we have one more color. I guess we can use this one right here. Honestly, I don't know why I wanted to avoid using it. I think it's fine the way it is. It's just an extra color to use. Okay, cool. So we have those. I'm just gonna grab everything that we have here. Yeah, literally everything. The only ones that we're not gonna use is this one, and I guess maybe these bright ones. I think maybe too much for upside down tiles. So let's do this. Let's first align it with the grid. I'm gonna delete these bright ones. I'm gonna delete this one. And then we're just gonna bring these closer to each other. Or I'll just put it right here. And then everything else we can flip. Let's make sure they're all aligned. Oh, what the hell? This one doesn't have a black tile right here. I wonder if I screwed that up over here too. Which one was it? Yeah, this one right here. Alrighty. We'll grab these, cut them, paste them over here. Okay. And there we have it. Our new tile map. I still don't know if I should have checked if these colors were good before I committed to them, but we could just change it later. Also, this one's too bright. What do we use? Is it this one? No. Do we use another bright color? No. This? Nope. We need one more color. What color is this? This. So we can try that one. It might look slightly. No, it's fine, I think. And this one will do boom and then a dot. Cool. Worst case scenario, we also might add this to these. I don't know if I like these upside down auras, but there's no harm in trying. Alrighty. I think the Vine tile map should just. I forgot. Vine's tile map. I think we included everything here. Let's see. Oh, what? This is like one tile off. I guess we can just push it down by one. There we go. Alright, moment of truth. Does this look good? Alright, I'll see you, Devereaux. Peace, man. Oh, yeah. Looks good. Makes me want to... I guess messing with the colors is not too terrible. Because it makes me think, oh, maybe I do want to make everything bluer. Yeah, the pointy rocks, I forgot what they're called. I gotta get rid of all the blue on them. I thought I did. Let me see. So those rocks look kind of cool the way they are. I think I'll change them just a bit. But yeah, wait, what the hell? It seems like there's more blue on these rocks, but I don't see it. What? You know what it might be? They actually might be... No. What the hell? None of these are blue. Why did they look blue? Is it this one, maybe? That looks... Goddamn, I should have, like... Here, yeah, you know what I could do? I could just make a little... make a little pink, like, numbering system. Here, I'm just gonna say 1. Actually, just need to concern ourselves with this. 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm not gonna be able to read this. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. Yeah, so one of these look weird. I can't tell which one it is. This one, what is it? What the hell? This one just doesn't. Whatever this is, they're not even numbered. How's that even possible? There's a. What the frick? It's not numbered and it's colored. Interesting. Here, maybe if I rerun this. Alright, I think, yeah, maybe it was just, we created the tile map, we ran it, and then, yeah, something just happened there. Okay. Get rid of the color, the numbers. Is there anything else that we think looks odd in the game? Let's see. Oh, there was one thing. I think it was like some of the veins looked a little weird. Not this one. I think the one with the large, the dark one with the large ores inside looked very weird. Oh, what the hell? Do 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 do. I'm also wondering if people are going to think, I mean, it's usually the bright, we usually associate, the bright colors with things of importance. If it's like dark like this, it's usually not a threat. So the player doesn't really have to worry about it. I would hope they don't worry about it. Yeah, this one looks kind of crazy. The fact that there are vines. Actually, I think that's let's see where that takes place. I think that's part of the old furniture tile map that we had in our game. Find out right now. Yeah, because it's kind of crazy looking. There's so much. Yeah, I don't think that's in our game anymore. Let me see. Oh no, it is. Okay. Yeah, let's edit that. That looks so crazy. Same with, yeah, let's edit this one too. Just gonna do, anyway, let's bring back the original color. Something like that. Cool. And same with this one. Oh, I do like the variation in the colors. Like we could do maybe one or two of these. And something like that. Sure. Alrighty. Did we miss something? Oh yeah, this one. So this is blue. Do we want to make it look like the rest of them, which is like this gray color? Yeah, there's a lot going on in here. I'm gonna try making it darker. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Why didn't it update? Is this, maybe it is using the old one, because it's not changing. Let's see. Yeah, it is the old one. Wait. Yep. Okay, Frozen Furniture, I believe is the name. We're gonna get... You know, I'll keep it in here because we might still use this Frozen Furniture tile map for something. I don't know what just yet, but yeah, we might keep it. It has some potential. Okay. Cool. Alright, so we've got a new tile map. It's looking good. Originally I wanted to add the like a secondary tile map on top of everything, but I guess we'll save that maybe for another day. Still, I don't know what would fit here. Like I would assume... Oh, what the hell? This is a little too... what should we do here? I guess what we could do is if we make the tile map here darker, or maybe make the transition for this cell like a little bit darker on the inside. Here, let me see. That was... This one... Where's our background? Oh, tile background. Whoops. There we go. Squash the Creeps tutorial in the docks. Same music from Squash the Creeps. Interesting. Let me see. Squash the Creeps? When was this made? Where's the fonts? Where's the music? MP3. Don't bother, it's a Memori clone, yeah. I'm just curious. I want to see. It would be under assets, wouldn't it? Autoload, assets, props, repo. Music Master. Music Master. Kart Star Kid Crash. What's that music? I'm sure I've heard of it before. Oh, what the hell? It's most definitely not the same song. Super Game Music Badass Space Explorer Loop. They're talking about the vampire thing? Yeah. Bum, 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 It's most definitely not the same song. The same music from the... That's the same music. I don't think so. Yeah, whoever said that, I don't think that's true, but... Beat the demo? Okay, yeah, someone, oh, they beat the demo. Wow, they beat the demo relatively quickly. Oh, I think they edited it, okay. Because I remember when they first said it, I didn't give a chance to respond yet. Found a way to hide under the corner of the train and dodge all bullets from the helicopters. However, the trick did not last long. Yeah, I think you could technically. I think you could technically last for a long time, but at a certain point it might be punishing. And yeah, maybe not. I was gonna say like, yeah, I guess the game isn't perfect. Choo Choo Pew Pew is fun to play. Yeah, I do like Choo Choo Pew Pew. Choo Choo Pew Pew. Infinite wishlist glitch. Your post is trending? Yeah, it has been trending. It's kind of cool. Alright, I have to respond. This is distracting. I woke up to this and I was like, oh my god, so many people responded. I wish I posted my Twitch page earlier. I think I did. But maybe that's why I got popular, because I didn't post. I didn't do any self-promo. I'll never know. Okay.
Nothing was.
In other words, Celeste has encountered a catastrophic failure. Yeah, I don't know what the hell this was. It's like it opened somehow. I got a DM. Never mind. Okay, let's close this because it's very distracting. Boom. Okay. What do I do here? I think it's fine if we have the background. It was like the parallax colliding with this asset right here. It was very hard to see everything. I hope that's enough, but we could also just edit this tile to be darker in the center. Or we could also make a unique object here. So like, oh, what would be really cool actually? I'll show you guys later. Let me just see. What we could do is like, yeah, 2x2s could just be their own tile. Like it could be like a wooden platform or something like that. I don't use them too often. So yeah. We wouldn't even have to edit the tile map. I wouldn't edit the tile map. I could just make it unique, like, or just edit the tile map right there by hand. Where is that room? Right here. Yeah, it does look better. I don't get it. We added the corner pieces, or like we added alpha to the corner pieces, but it does not look like there's a. Does not look like it's transparent. Actually, in fact, I'm pretty sure it isn't transparent. What gives? What gives? Well, what gives here is that I put it on the... oh, that's what gives. I was like... Because we were using the 10x10 grid, so I was like, oh, it must be right there. So that's what happened. If I control Z, will it go back to... Okay, cool. We have to go back to image, configure grid, make this 16x16. All right. Cool. But yeah, I don't think I would get too many wish lists from that post anyway, just because I didn't really post my like Steam page until someone asked. But maybe it gets more people interested in the game, like by not posting anything. It seems more, I think it seems more genuine. Even if you do get more wish lists, maybe you'll get less people who are interested in your game actually. But what do I know? Yeah, so I think in this room what we could do... Oh, dude, I love the spikes on the bottom. I mean, sorry, these spikes right here, I think they look kind of cool. I like them everywhere, actually. Oh my god, I'm so bad at my game, though. Trying to think. Should we make a unique... That was the whole point, right? We were supposed to do level design. We were supposed to do unique tiles. Let me see. What do we have here? What could we do? Like a wooden tile map would be pretty cool. But I was thinking of saving that for the previous chapter. Let me see. We have 22, which is this right now. Oh, yikes. That looks disgusting, actually. Run border tile map. A brick tile map would be really cool, I would say. Do we have anything already in our entire list of random assets? Do we have a nice looking brick tile map? Let's see, we have this. No, we have this, which is kind of cool. We have this, which is whatever, and this. Okay, yeah, nothing. Can either use this one or... We could also just use one of the ones that we already have. Or I could try incorporating this one into the game. I think I've tried this one before in the past, though, and it never looked that good. I think wood would look really cool, but there's no wood textures here. Maybe this one. Maybe we'll ignore it for now. What other... We have... I mean, we have so many assets. Why didn't I just open something else up and see what we got? Serum Run. This looks like a cute game. This looks like... this kind of looks like Choo Choo Pew Pew. Whatever's going on here looks like Choo Choo Pew Pew. Kind of looks like Oregon Trail. I've never played Oregon Trail. Yeah, it is Oregon Trail. You guys ever played I've never played Oregon Trail, but I've played a game that's called Oregon Trail. It's kind of like... It's like Oregon Trail, but zombies. Wanted to go into our library. So we have this one. We have this one. I think we already looked. Did we already look at the Metroidvania set? No, we did not. Guess I'll just download it for the 5th. You know, I know I have it in my downloads. Here we go. Bum, 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 ba-da-dum. This was the tile set that we used. Yeah, I don't think they look that good. The rocks kind of look cool. Out of all of them, the rocks look pretty cool. And this one looks kind of cool too, but probably not gonna use it. All right, well. We gave it a shot. Don't think I'm going to use any of these. Let me see what else there is. We have this one, and I think that's it. Oh wait, we have these two. Update license. You know, I'm pretty sure this person didn't even include the license. Let me see. Oh, they did. Okay. I was gonna say. Do 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 do. Isn't this already in this one? No. So yeah, I think something like this would just be cool in the game. Like this, like a box like that. Everything else, I don't think we're gonna use. This might look decent. Alrighty. So that was what? The Gothic Souls-like set. Now we have the Noir. Rogue Noir. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Okay. Are any of these worth using? This is the same thing. Some of these assets are sort of repeats. These kind of look cool. They kind of look scary, actually. But yeah, I don't think we'll be using any of these either. But this stuff looks kind of cool. Alrighty, cool. Good to know. Alright, let's just do level design then. I'm gonna try one more thing, and that's let's just see if there's any other tile map that we could potentially use here. Like we could just see, what is this? Oh, what the hell is that? Is this 17? 18. What's? I think 17 is our main one. No. 20? No. 19? 19. I feel like 19 might be kind of good on these. Same with this one. So kind of like a repeat from the original, but maybe it has some potential. It'd be cool if these were wood, or maybe we may make like a. Maybe we can try making like pillars, like a pillar tile map. Or maybe, yeah, a pillar tile map would be kind of cool. Also, the amount of detail that's in this chapter is so much more than the previous chapters. Like, the tile map of chapter 1 is so smooth compared to chapter 4. Oh shit, I keep screwing up. No, I think we'll keep it consistent. If anything, I'll add like a wood tile map. And once we add colors too, like lamps, I think it'll look pretty good too. Alrighty. Level design time? I think purple would also look good in this tile map. Oh, I should have tried that. Purple. Purple and blue. Whatever this is, looks kind of cool. Okay, let's go into our auto tile real quick. Let's delete whatever the hell this is. And let's make some rooms. Or let's edit some rooms. We'll see. Whatever makes most sense. More sense. Let me close some of this stuff. Should I try? Should I try purple? I feel like purple might look really good, actually. I don't know why I didn't try it before. That's this one right here, right? I'll do it real quick. So our lightest color. Should we go from... The thing is, I can't make it too purple because it'll match the previous chapter. It would have to be just like a few purple ones. Max maybe up to here. Maybe not, actually. Let's see. Oh wait, this is the wrong one. Maybe, so I think we do all gray. We'd have to go from like here. We only have 3 colors. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, we could do it from here. So this one. And this one. And then this one. Do. This pink might be already too much. Maybe we can... Let's just see. Maybe it won't be too bad in the game. Looks kind of cool. But yeah, it does look very similar to Chapter 3, so I might not. Yeah, never mind. Also, Death Cloud Games, thank you. If there's a way, let me see. Maybe if I just go up one more color, so make this one this dark purple, and then this. We make this. Let's see how that looks. Oh, I think that's gonna look like crap. Never mind. All right, we'll keep it the way it is. No worries. We gave it a shot. We tried. All right. Let me get rid of whatever the hell this is. And we do want to update the spikes, but I'm not going to do that today. Let's do some level design. I'm going to start with whatever rooms we haven't finished. So this one right here. Oh my god, it's going to get... I haven't worked on these in this chapter in so long. I forgot like what the whole strategy was. I remember like we need to stretch each of these rooms and make them sort of like easier to understand. So like, you know, we go from, you know, just 1 orb, then 2, and then, I mean, we go 4 here, but like I think it's pretty self-explanatory for this one. This one is also pretty easy because it's just like you hit this, hit a spring, then yeah. Portal is fine. This one's also fine. This one is the first one that teaches you diagonals. So actually, we'll go through everyone, see what it actually teaches the player. And then try to come up with something that might be necessary next. So yeah, this is pretty self-explanatory. You have to do a vertical dash, a diagonal dash at least twice. So you do a horizontal once and then... Okay. Pretty cool. And it forces you, like, before you were never required to do a diagonal, but here, like, because you've already done a diagonal previously, it kind of, like, gets you used to... It kind of does it for you because you're already pressing the upright button. Same with this one. You'll kind of know, alright, I do, like, the only option is to do a diagonal. And it also teaches you that you have to save it, which is also pretty good. The next one is a showcase of both diagonals. I think vertical and diagonal is the only one that you do here. We also have to punish the player. Like, it's unknown if you have to do that first, and I feel like maybe we should punish the player for that. Like, maybe you should only do a vertical here. Because sometimes it might be sort of ambiguous. Okay, so I think all of these rooms so far were pretty good. Let's go into this one. I'm going to put some spikes here. And this one, you go from here to here. You're forced to do a horizontal. Or wait, yeah, forced to do a horizontal, then a diagonal, and then here you can kind of do. Here you bounce, and then you have to do a vertical, and then from there, I think you can kind of do either. You can kind of do whatever you want at that point. Let's see. Just gonna make this look a little bit more natural. Okay. Yeah, this still doesn't look that good. Oops. Okay. So yeah, now you're forced to do a vertical and then horizontal, then diagonal, and then there you have to do a horizontal. Oh shit. Oh, we don't even die. We have to update the collisions by the end of the month. Okay. Cool beans. Alright, so I think that room was fine the way it was. What I will do is maybe add like a small platform right here too. Just like 2 tiles. Alright, next room. So this one was all vertical. No, there was a horizontal dash right there. And then this one seems to be the same thing. Honestly, it's like, I think it's okay to be slightly redundant with your rooms. Because it's just more lessons for the player to understand how the mechanics work. So let's see. I don't like what I don't like about this room though is in its current state. What happens is the player's kind of forced. They can either do a diagonal or a horizontal. I don't like to leave it up to the player, to be honest. Just because, well, if they choose, sometimes open areas can screw them up because they think, oh, I could do a diagonal, but then it doesn't it doesn't reach or something. So, I kind of like to force them. You know, if this is supposed to be a diagonal, then we put something right there. But I forgot what this is actually. It could be anything really. It could be both actually. Let's see. Oh, we're in the previous room. We'll test this one out again. Oh my god. Oh, we also have to connect that spring. But let me see. So it seems like it's a... Oh, yeah, you can do both. Which one looks better though? Do we even need this one? Maybe I should add just like a spring instead, because these are actually too close to each other. Will there be a Spotlight Saturday this Saturday? Oh, that's a good question, actually. Yeah, I mean, as long as, I don't think there'll be I usually don't get too many people asking anyway, so yeah, I don't see why not. Why, do you have something that you want to showcase? Alright, let me think about this. Should we I think I'll probably get rid of this one. Indeed. Are you guys working on something together? Let me think about this. His creation, not mine? Alright, well, I'm looking forward to it. Oh yeah. Okay. something is bothering me with this little section here. Because I guess because it's ambiguous, but maybe I'll just leave it the way it is. Or we can, because you have so much space here, that it feels like you should just be able to jump across maybe. Or maybe we can add a spring here. Let me see. Okay, let me just try putting a spring instead. Oh, yeah, we keep spawning in this room. Let me fix one thing about chapter, let me fix something about this previous room and just put a wall right here. And we'll update the spikes just a bit. Okay, see how that looks. Oh my god. So like this, and then you could do a vertical. I guess, yeah, that's fine. Maybe, actually maybe a diagonal. Yeah. Okay, yeah, we'll make it like that. Bum, bum. Bum, 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 bum. Gotta make sure I'm adding the new spikes everywhere too. I mean the vines and grass. Okay, so you go from here to here. We're forcing a, what did I say? Vertical, then diagonal. So maybe something like this. And it's a little. Be a little difficult to get across, but I think that looks good. Okay. Oh wait, whoa, what the hell? Oh goddamn. Oh no, I can't control Z this. Wait, what is this? 4? If I do 4, will this work? Oh, thank goodness. It's not flipped correctly though. Oh no. Let me see. I mean, I could quickly. Let me see if we can quickly edit the script. I could just do match statement. Oh, match statement. And be like, oh, don't flip. Let's see. Get available tiles. Spike index. Here, let me just do this. If get LV. Cell is equal to 4. We're just gonna say sets LV of this. Oops. Spike index to false. Spike index. Sure. Get rid of this. And then just update the bit mask. Where the hell is it? Right here. Does that fix it? But there's is it still technically flipped? Is that why this is not working? Are we? Is this working? Oh, because we don't actually. What do we have to do? Continue. There we go. Okay. Close call. I mean, it's not the worst case scenario, but I would just have to erase everything and then add it back again. We'll have to update, like check what this tile is. I guess we'll just, yeah, we'll handle every tile type, but I think we're gonna be replacing a lot of these spikes anyway. So yeah, maybe we'll do this in like version 6 or something. We'll do like a spike update. Okay. Let's see. This room looks good, I think. We still don't have any like background auto tiles here. Just realized. Might want to do that. Library. This one. What do we want to do? We have no light nodes or anything like that in this chapter just yet. So I'm not gonna go crazy with it. Maybe just make it look like that. Maybe leave this area open. Okay. Wait, what? Oh, this is probably the previous chapter. Should we add one in here too? Might as well, right? Let's see, what could I do here? This is me being super uncreative. Let's see. Oh, what the hell? Where's the next room? What the hell? Oh, wait, no, what? Maybe because we restarted, we did some shenanigans there. Let me try that again. Alright, not too bad. This one I think looks fine the way it is. If I can be better. Oh, actually, this room is fine, but I'm trying to think. Do we want to include it? I think it is fine here. I think these previous rooms, the ones that we've added so far, kind of teach the player the mechanics. It's very like stretched out. You know, like it's not like, oh, you have to dash really quick. You have some time to think, and the springs allow for that. They kind of like give you a break. You know, the momentum tells you like, oh yeah, you can kind of take a break there. So, yep. Let's see this next room. Let's just make sure it's polished. So like, make sure that this isn't looking weird. This doesn't look weird. On the update on that. The light nodes look good. I feel like I'm gonna update that pretty soon as well. Probably in version 5. And the spikes. Let me see. Yeah, I think that looks good. All right, next room. Do that, and we have to add spikes here. Let's get rid of everything. Can probably get rid of these tiles too. Just leave the spikes there, and then kind of it makes it easier when we do this, because now the spikes are super like thin on the edge pieces, but also we could make it like technically we could do like 3 tiles instead of 4. It makes the game easier, but it looks better than what it was before, so I'm not gonna complain. Oh, there's a tile here. Yeah, and this chapter is already punishing enough, so I don't think anyone's gonna be complaining. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. There's a little too much going on here. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. This area. Okay. Yeah. Fuck it. Yeah, I think that's fine. Alright, what's next? This room here. Yeah, I liked the idea of creating a different tile map, but it's also... I think it's not the right tile map to use. We could do something inside here too. Maybe, yeah, we'll create a transition tile map for this centerpiece. Yeah, how's it going, Shady? What you been up to? Yeah, I caught your stream, I think this morning, was it? Or a bit of it, and then I think you got to go. When feature creep as usual. Your game is looking good. Yeah, apparently you can't say creep. Doo-doo-doo. Alright, let's try to get rid of this tile right here. Oh, you know what would be really cool? Let's see if I can make this look decent. Like if it could like look like it's growing up through here. It kind of looks like it. I think our time map needs to update a bit, but yeah, it kind of looks like that. Please add more eyes. Yeah, I agree. Eyes are going to be added to chapter 3, I believe. I think that's what I'm going to do. I'd like to include an obstacle of some kind for every chapter. So yeah, eyes would be really cool for chapter 3. Because it's like very... What the hell? Chapter 3 is like the most out there. And the eyeballs are also very out there, so... I think they would go together very well. That's going to be all done in the next update, though. More than likely. I might push them to chapter 3 during this update. Like, just push those rooms to chapter 3. But it's going to be polished and everything afterwards. In like a month, honestly. Or like, you know, within the next week. Or sorry, within the next week we'll be working on chapter 3. I'm gonna redo the entire mechanic. I'm gonna redo the movement mechanic of chapter 3, and I'm gonna be adding more levels and all that stuff, all that fun stuff. I'm adding the possibility to change colors of the thrusters. Yep, totally necessary. That is necessary. Those are important. Those are important aspects of your game. You know, which it's lore friendly too. You know, it's like it just all depends on the crystal, right? Like the crystals that you collect, or the crystals that you collect from the factions. Like, why wouldn't it be there? I'm just messing. I don't know. Don't know what your justification is, or like if it's lore friendly, but I was trying to make it lore friendly. Oh my goodness, I'm so terrible. I need to add like another tile. Like the black tiles are kind of basic at the moment. Like it's just black for the most part. I feel like we should add some more detail to it. I've been ignoring it lately. Oh my goodness, what the hell, man? Oh. It's like I forgot how to play. Oh my god, alright. Maybe I made it just harder. Maybe something's wrong here. Let's see. No, it's a skill issue. It's a skill issue. Come on. This room, actually, I do think this room is very difficult for most people, actually. So maybe... Oh, yeah, it is. It's literally impossible. That's why. It's still a pretty hard room though. I might drop it or put it in a secret. Let's just bring our player to that room. I'm trying to think, what could we do to make this room easier? I think just this one is a problem because you have to do down, you do down, then right, down right, then upright, then down again, then right. Like it's a lot of the same direction movement, but also precision in switching between them. But it's also a skill issue. Shit. I think this room is perfect. We just need to add spikes to it. So I guess we're not really doing any actual level design today. We're mostly just editing levels. So, I mean, we are doing level design, but just not new level design. Just polishing. What the hell is going on here? Everything seems flipped or rotated. Yeah, what the hell? I wish there was a reset, because I forgot what the origin is, what it's supposed to be. Is it this? What the hell? Is it flipped on the x-axis? Is it rotated? Okay, there we go. Sometimes you press like the X or one of the buttons and they get flipped or they get rotated. There should be a reset button, or at least tell you what's going on these tiles. Boom, boom, boom. I was thinking of putting a secret here. Never did though. I'll have to see if this area is. Oh, just realized this area is pretty punishing. We could make it slightly easier by doing this, making them all triangles instead. But we could still make it slightly punishing by bringing the triangle out. Something like that. But it's thinner on the outside. Yeah, there is definitely an aesthetic that you want to have sometimes when playing RPGs. Yeah, like I remember, I don't care nearly as much about it now, but I remember as a kid I hated when video games didn't like show your armor. It's actually one of the things I didn't like about Final Fantasy as a kid. Like I loved seeing, when you get new armor, it would change your character the way it looked. But yeah, in a lot of the Final Fantasy games, you get new armor and it's just stats. Stat upgrades. Alright, that looks pretty good. Let me see something. Goddamn. It's actually pretty difficult to reach the final orb right there. This one, you kind of have to let yourself let the bounce take you forward a bit, but I think that's okay. Yeah, how's it going, Half Moon? What you been up to? Did you wake up? Just wake up or something? Or maybe you were working. You were working. Um. I probably will go to sleep in 1 or 2 hours, I see. How about you? I'm doing pretty good. We've been streaming for 3 hours now. Can't complain. Let's see. I'm curious how the Reddit posts is doing. God damn, I feel like this is my most liked post. Especially since I'll drive for 2 hours tomorrow. Finally decided to take a few days. Nice. I've been thinking lately, like, what is a healthy approach to doing game dev? Like, because I do it, honestly, I don't know. Like, I only do it for 8 hours a day, but it seems like it consumes so much of your day. Is there a healthy approach to game dev? I mean, if you did it as a hobby, I think that's a healthy approach. Like an an amateur approach to anything is usually pretty healthy because it's more so the love for the thing rather than, it being a job. But I mean, for me, I feel like it's both. But yeah, there is a little bit of there's a little bit of a separation from liking it now, just because I need it to be good, you know what I mean? So like there's that stress of like, oh, I can't just do whatever I want. I mean, I could, but you do want to do relatively well on sales. Like I do need to make sure that I could do this for the rest of my life. So like I tried to follow, some of the standards in game development, which honestly, nowadays aren't even that high, but you do need to make the game somewhat good. Or just follow certain procedures. Which maybe I wouldn't have followed. I was talking about this with Saul the other day. Saul Tunes. And it's like, yeah, you can, maybe not listen to what other people say and just follow what you think is right. And if I wasn't concerned with, I'm not like crazy, again, I'm not like crazy concerned with the financials of the game. It's more so, I just want it to do well. But that obviously goes hand in hand. Thing is, you feel that you're not working for an hour, that's the hour of potential progress lost. But in fact, you work rested enough and fresh, you'll achieve to do more 3 hours than in 10 hours being tired. That's true too. I don't think. The thing is, I'm usually well rested. That's actually why I like to split my stream, because doing 8 hours straight would definitely be too much. Doing 4 and 4s, or splitting it is definitely really nice. But yeah, I'm more so wondering. I'm not. I guess the efficiency, I guess, is the problem, or lost hours on your game. It's definitely a question I have, or something that I think about. Like when I didn't, I was supposed to stream on Monday, but I didn't. I was like, oh damn, I could have been working on my game. Not that it's that deep, it's not like, oh my god, I'm stressing out, but it is on my mind. Now that I'm doing 2 4-hour streams, I used to do only 1 4-hour stream, and I was like, damn, I wish I started this earlier, What was I doing with my life that I only did 4 hours of game development a day? Or 4 hours of streaming game development. I was definitely playing more video games, I'll tell you that. Oh shit, you could just you could just avoid these altogether. We have to fix the hitboxes. But that's fine. Oh, this one requires a... It looks like it's supposed to be a diagonal, but it's not. So I'm gonna make that a little bit more obvious, I think. I think we should definitely make that more obvious. Like right now, I'm trying to work because I want to finish a component I'm working on for hours now. But the more I progress, the harder it becomes to stay focused and actually progress. Yeah, that's true. Taking a break definitely does help, and it's actually they actually recommend that for like if you want to efficiently work, taking breaks in between, or like ending on a problem is usually pretty good. Actually, I've heard. What I mean by that is like, you know, I don't know if it's healthy though. like you know, ending on something that you're like, oh, I don't know what the solution is. Like, you know, can help you like think about it while like subconsciously and stuff. I don't know if it's good like mentally, you know, like always having problems or going to sleep with a problem, but yeah, I'm not sure. And I don't really follow this. I wouldn't say I follow the quote-unquote rule. I like to go to sleep with my problems solved, but who knows? What the hell? What do I do? What am I doing here incorrectly? What was the original one? Oh, I guess we bounced over and then hit this spring, and that's all there was to it. I did a maybe the diagonal was the correct choice here. Let me see. You can kind of force the player to do a diagonal too. If they do a horizontal, they can die. Do 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 do. I mean, it does work. Let me see. Some guys gave me some positive comments about my progress. It was very motivating. That's awesome. I wonder... I've actually always wondered what is the best approach for like increasing... Like, do you keep... How do I bring this up? Like, is it better to tell yourself... I know it is motivating, but I feel like it's... I'm not sure, but is it only motivating in the moment? Because then after a while, you might think, oh, I'm doing so great. Maybe I don't need any extra push. You know what I mean? Whereas, like, if someone says, hey, you're not necessarily slacking or lacking in something, but like, hey... this could totally be done more efficiently. Not efficiently, but this could have been better. And I feel like it's definitely not motivating when someone tells you that, but it also might help you do something better, if that makes sense. Alright, I also don't like how we're like... I feel like I'm slightly tapping this, this tile right here. I don't know what to do about it. But I do know the motivation that comes with, like, I guess, positive reinforcement. But I feel like sometimes someone tells me, hey, you're doing a great job, and then, for me at least, I'm like, oh, I'm doing a great job. Okay. Let me let me take things slower. But it's usually for things that maybe I'm not as passionate about. So, like, for my game, it would be... If someone told me my game is doing well, I'd be like, yeah, thank you. Like, that's motivating for me, at least, but maybe not, like, if I worked at a retail store, for example, and they told me, hey, you're doing really great at your retail job. What should I do here? Seems like we're barely scraping this one. Maybe I should force a diagonal. Sorry, maybe I should force a horizontal dash. It's gonna be kind of difficult though. I have a friend that when someone tells her she's doing well in text, she'll clip it and add it to her journal to refer to later when she feels like she's not. That's actually really good. I feel like that. That sounds like a very good approach, actually. Creating like your own sort of positive reinforcement when you need it, instead of when it's out of your control. Alright, I think this looks great. The spikes can be updated just a bit, like this one right here. Where is it? Or sorry, not the spikes, but actually just the wall here needs to be removed. I'm also thinking we can add spikes to the ceilings. Sorry, not the ceilings. We can also add spikes to the sorry, not spikes. The rocks that we have here, we could also put on the walls of the game, and I think that would look pretty cool too. Alright, this room looks pretty good. I think we'll leave it like that. I'll play test it one more time. Used to work over 8 hours a day on my game, but I felt burned out almost every day, making it hard to stay fresh the next day. Now I only work on it, work at most 3 hours a day. Definitely not efficient, but there is a higher chance I'll actually finish it someday. I see. Yeah, I think everyone has a different approach. I mean, you also work too. So were you working and also working 8 hours a day? Working 8 hours a day, or working a day job and working on your game? Or just the game? Because then what's the difference between just game dev? Because what's the difference between working on your job? Because that means you're working more. You're doing. I assume your day job is 8 hours a day, which is it's 11 hours total of working. But I guess it is different. Like if you're able to separate the two. All right, this room I think is good. Wait, do have to update the tile map, but let's just see. This room also can use some updating. Let's do that real quick. Okay. I just realized Undertale has been playing this whole time. It's like it doesn't go into the next one. Let me see. It's only playing Toby Fox. As much as I like Toby Fox, I would like to hear some other music too. Oh my god. Okay. Let me see. I guess we can go to the Undertale radio. What's going on here? There we go. Here, we'll listen to some Undertale. Actually, there we go. Do 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 do. Finish implementing quad trees. Gonna go to sleep. All right, sounds good. I'll see you, Tomer. Oh, there's a missing tile here. Oh, there's another one missing here too. Cool. But yeah, this one looks fine the way it is. This one we could probably update to... Yeah, we'll update it at a few. Let me just add another tile here. But I'm thinking we'll erase all of this. And all of this. Oh, actually, this we'll keep. Do, 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 do. Looks a little too... No, it doesn't look natural enough. Do. I think this one as well looks weird. Bum bum. Alright, so these next rooms are just very tight, like that's all they are. Showcasing the kind of speed that you have to go. Okay. Was it this room that we were editing? There's some like vines in this room too we have to fix. I think I'm gonna low-key want to save this for... Oh, we did this one just now. Low-key tired of editing rooms. We have... Oh my god, we have so much more left. I think the rooms are good. They just have to be polished, but I think, yeah, I'm gonna save it for later. It's so much. I think I need to take one step at a time. So like maybe for the last hour of every stream, I'll do like the polishing of these rooms, because yeah, it is draining to do all of this. And some of these rooms are actually fine the way they are. They just, I don't think I like these like holes that we've been adding. And we do need to update the top map too. Maybe I'll do that today, or sorry, next stream. But yeah, I guess we finished more than half of the rooms, or I guess we just hit half. These will probably be easier to edit though. They're like longer rooms for the most part. We should be able to finish it by next stream, hopefully. Yeah, we're at a good pace. I think some of these rooms we might remove or put them in a secret somehow. Like this one, I might remove. These I think are fine. Why did you hit me? You said we hit half? Oh. I think this room is also fine. These ones are actually kind of fine. Alrighty. And we're still gonna have to do art for each of these rooms too, at some point. So, yeah. Thought we were buddies? Yeah, I'm sorry. I didn't mean it. We're at a good pace. 27th tomorrow. So, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. Yeah, we have 40 hours left, I'd say, of development before we release this. And we have chapter 2, so maybe I'll do 20 hours on this one, 20 hours on chapter 2. Low-key, also want to add some chapter 2 elements to this chapter, but that might be too ambitious. There's a lot to go into it. So yeah, let's call it there. I'm going to see who we can raid. If anybody's interested in playing the game, you can find it over here on Steam. There's a demo, everything. What? Why didn't that work? Why didn't my bot do the thing that it's supposed to do? Memori. Steam. Hello? What are other commands? Discord? Interesting. Must be, something must be wrong there. Falonier just started their stream, it seems. Oh, a Devro. Have to go for Devro. He might be done soon, but definitely have to raid him. Yeah, how's it going, Neo? What's up? Have a good one then. Thank you. Alright, we'll rate him regardless if he's finishing, but we'll see what he's up to. Make sure to show him some love. Till next time, everybody. I don't know why my Steam command didn't work. But yeah, the game is called Memori, for anyone interested. It's spelled right there. Peace.